Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video, I'm sorry, I'll show you how you can toggle a new navigation in Bitly. It's actually quite easy and beautiful to do, in my opinion, because the normal way of looking at Bitly is this one. This is their default old school, let me put it that way of presenting the UI that they created to promote Bitly. But if you want to try something new, something experimental, you have to go to the top right corner of your screen where your free account is, or paid version. It's completely up to you. At the moment I'm using the free version, and click on settings. Here we have the preferences and new navigation, which is in beta. You can toggle the new navigation on and off for a limited time and tell us what you think. So let's put it like this and go back. Easily you can see what we did there. It's more like new looking UI that they are trying to do. And you see there's a dashboard, you can see their plans, then all the links that we already created, custom links, also you have to subscribe it, and I strongly recommend the starter pack. It's $96 per year, so it's really a nice bargain. Custom link in bio and campaigns. So everything in there is basically paid, or you have to upgrade the plan, but it's not about it. And also we have a create new, which is in top corner or top left side panel, and you go with the link, and basically you go by the default. It's nothing new in there, and you'll be able to create it, no problems. So if you want to turn it off, it's basically the same way all around, where you go, and actually you don't have to go to the top right corner where the settings were, but it's on the top left bottom, which is the setting option, and you turn it off and you are back on the old school looking one. Both of them got their advantages and disadvantages, like everything else. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Let me know what you think about this, and see you soon. Goodbye.